Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4 series, where we will show you how to link the aircraft and remote controller. Power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Method 1. Using with the app. Launch DJI Pilot 2. On the app homepage, tap Linking. Method 2. Using combination buttons. Press the C1, C2, and record buttons at the same time. The remote controller makes a beeping tone, and the remote controller status indicator blinks blue, indicating that it is ready to link. Press and hold the power button of the aircraft for at least 5 seconds, and release it after hearing an indicator tone. The battery level LEDs blink in sequence to indicate the aircraft is ready to link. When the remote controller stops beeping and status indicator is solid green, the battery level LEDs of the aircraft stop showing the moving icon and displays battery level normally. When the app homepage shows the aircraft icon and name, it means the linking is successful.